talking about those periodic tables.
Okay, well, measurements and ladders and scales and the way and observation of 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 things is the way of modernity. It's the way that we have been able to understand our surroundings, just like observing the sky and the moon, and which reflect time and place for navigation. So our use of these externalities are critical. We were talking about a periodic table for the what was for chemistry has now been patented by some scientists at the Hebrew University, and they've constructed an artificial model of how energy works in the same way as a periodic table, and I was thinking that this is exactly what is required for the deconstruction of and for the measurement of the construction of the micro parts of the imagination, the micro parts of the way that we go about achieving our targets. Survival being the most important one until today, but in the 21st century, where surplus will change the way humans will associate and will want to deal with each other. They will want to be more creative, and they'll need a mechanism in which their imaginations can interact with each other. The currency, which is considered the dollar bill, has been okay until now, sort of, and it's been really remarkable because the ability for abstraction that currency has delivered is incredible. That all value can be reduced just to dollar bills, the same with all the diversity in the entire world, but it can all be done by a bill that looks the same. I mean, it's it's a remarkable achievement, currency, but with remarkable ages requires new remarkable achievements and new currencies. And the question is how to currency is said to measure value, but now today, what is value? And in the time where you have all food and needs and energy, then the question of what is value, and again, that can be addressed from the past and from our traditions, and value, I suppose, is for people to get what they want, I suppose, but to achieve good things together for their benefit, to manifest their will and their imagination, and to empower individuals that the thing that is so important to them, their self, is empowered, and is empowered in a way which empowers other people, and that the entropy or the leftovers of one, the things, the undesirables of one, or is the benefit of the other one, and how much more so the great things or the nuances of a person, and its entropy will be something very useful in another circumstance, in another place, in another set of variables, which would otherwise have nothing to do with each other, but because of the protocol between personal AI assistants, this can be seamlessly shared throughout many different varied and otherwise incoherent and inconsistent systems. We can have access to this remarkable opportunity.